Umiiyak ka na naman, mahal. Lagi na lang ika'y nasasaktan. Sabi niya, di ka iiwanan.
Nasaktan ka ba niya?
Ikaw ay nabi ko, kayo'y nagkalayo.
So awkward. It's fun. I'm telling you.
So you cheated on Dave?
Hindi. Hindi.
Lagi ka'y
Please.
Dave!
nasasaktan.
Sorry na, please!
So what, are you dating again?
I'm not dating him again! Hindi ko alam kung bakit yun yung title na binigay nila. I'm not dating my ex again because I am dating you!
This sure does not look like that way to me. What, did you kiss him? I deserve the truth, man.
And I deserve your trust! And if that's what you think, then you never trusted me at all!
Hindi pa pabayaan, hinding-hindi ka sasaktan. O akin ka na lang, hindi kita iiwan.
Masaya po ako sa boyfriend ko ngayon. Mahal na mahal ko siya.
Lahat ay gagawin pag ika'y napasa akin.
Ano pag-usapan natin? Max, please. I'm sorry.
Ay aking susunod.
May career talk pa. Kailangan natin yun para mapagplanuhan ng future.
And I can't imagine a future without you. So please.
Mahal, sana naman sa akin ka na lang. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi pa pabayaan. Sa akin ay hindi ka iiyak na kahit minsan. Hindi kita
We're not in that
iiwan,
relationship
hindi pa
anymore.
pabayaan.
You're going to judge me as if I were the girl that betrayed you before.
O akin ka na lang,
That means let's be together.
hindi kita iiwan. Akin ka na hindi pa pabayaan, hindi ka sasaktan. O akin ka na lang, hindi kita iiwan, hindi pa pabayaan. Sa akin ay hindi ka iiyak na kahit minsan. Hindi kita iiwan, hindi pa pabayaan, hindi ka sasaktan. O akin ka na lang, hindi kita iiwan, hindi kita iiwan.